to get some food, and then we're going to PetSmart, right? Or we're going to PetSmart first and then get some food. That hurts my arm.
Well, that's how far you're gonna have to hold it. And we're going to get some food and go to PetSmart.
But I mean, look at the time. Are we going to go to PetSmart first, or are we going?
PetSmart closes at 9.
You know,
I'm gonna go get food and go to PetSmart. I'm not getting out of the car. That's what I'm saying. So you're trying to insinuate.
what?
What are you trying to say? Because I'm not getting out of the car when I go get food. I'm going through the drive-thru.
Okay, alright. Makes sense. Hold on, I gotta put my seatbelt on. When your husband looks like a whole snack. He's a holder.
And my glasses are in the house. The fuckery of In-N-Out. Why are we at 3 minutes? Why are we at 3 minutes? I'm supposed to get my food in 30 seconds. Or under a minute or less. Why are we at 3 minutes? Why?
Well, somebody got a new cage today, and he's a little bit happy. He's gonna get a little bit more stuff. I just gotta finish the bottom. He seems to like it, so I'm gonna keep it like that. He's been climbing all up on here all day, so he's pretty happy. He seems to like it, but I do want to change the bottom and build him somewhere that he can swim in other than this little bowl. He does climb in there every morning and chill in there until we wake up. But other than that, he's pretty okay.
Oh my lord, yes. Vlogs just got a whole lot litter, you guys. Straight up, for real. So I found this tripod here at my crib. Didn't know I had it. Didn't know it was here. I'm cleaning up and I just found it. And yeah, it's lit. Brand new tripod. Hey, vlog just got turned up. Yeah, we got air conditioning. I know it's a little ghetto, but hey, what can I say? I love this tripod though. I love this thing. I can extend the legs here and make it tall. Pretty lit, pretty lit. So yeah. Don't really know what I'm doing today much. I do know that right now I'm just cleaning up the room right now. And then I don't know. I don't really know what I'm doing after that. Somebody's cage is looking really nice. I just realized that is sideways. I need to fix that. But yeah, his cage is looking pretty nice. I said to myself yesterday that if it seems like he's wanting to stay at the bottom more than climb up and come on up here and shit like that, then I'm just gonna turn the tank back on, like turn it back long ways, so then that way it'll give him room to move around and do whatever, but he can still climb if he wants, because I'll leave all that shit in there. But I need to get him some more stuff. From the looks of it, he has 8. I put 3 crickets in there last night. One is right there in the water bowl, and then I don't know where the other 2 is. So I'm hoping he ate them. Hoping my little nigga, my little buddy guy here ate them other ones. Oh no, they're right here. Dang it. Oh well. He hasn't been eating lately, and I don't know why. And then, well, yeah, about this. So this one is the original one. This is Riley, however you say her name. Shit, ask Jeff, don't ask me. And then this one is Thor. So, as y'all know, I've been having Rayleigh here. Well, we just kind of got Thor yesterday. The whole thing with that was we went to PetSmart to get Zane a new cage, and she wanted another dragon. So somehow we ended up walking out with another dragon. Yeah. What can I say? Alright, so I'm out. I'm about. As you can see, I'm at the car wash. Gonna get the car cleaned because she's dirty, like real dirty. So I'm about to wash the car real fast. Really just spray her off because it's white, and yeah. So let's get to it. Alright, so car's clean. Give me a quick walk around, clean rims. Yeah. Except this goddamn spot right here. Fuck else in my rim. Fuck shit. Yeah. Car's clean. On to what we gotta do next. Let's get it. So shit was funny at the car wash because I pulled up and then I hop out the car to set up the tripod and everything, and everything right. And the dude's like, "What are you doing?" I'm just like, "What?" He was like, "You need tokens?" I'm just like, sure, I guess. I mean, I'm here to wash my car. I don't know. Every second, every freaking time. I can't never do shit. I had plans to vlog for you guys and do interesting things for you guys today. But you know what I get to do for right now? So right now I'm running into PetSmart, as you guys can see, because they're doing something, but I want to get an eyelash crested gecko. So I'm gonna run into PetSmart and see what they have today, and then hi. I have to go watch my nieces and nephew, which I really don't want to, but I have no choice. So I guess this is what we're gonna do today. Look at animals and then yeah, dip out. So there's a big one right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but she's right here. Pretty much I don't see any more in here, but that's what they have right there. Is that, and yeah. So this is what I'm looking at. So mostly they're nocturnal. 15 years of life. They get up to about 10 inches. Pretty big. Versus the two goddamn bearded dragons that we have. Yeah. Alright, you know what? Fuck it. I'm not gonna get the damn crested gecko because she wants to have a little ass attitude about it because she wants me to fucking wait. But yet I don't want to fucking wait because I already have a fucking tank for it to go in and everything else. So really I just need the fucking gecko. But she wants me to fucking wait, so I'm gonna fucking wait. Yes, I'm irritated. Alright, so I said I was gonna vlog today for you guys. I'm doing it. So right now I'm trading in the keys for the Honda, and we're gonna hop in my sister's GMC. Don't really know much about it, but it's a GMC truck. Well, SUV. I'm about to take my nieces to minivan because I don't play standing at the house with their badasses. So, let's go out.
He tried to hide a piece of the sink.
What is this? This is impossible.
Something like that could be used as a weapon. This kind of shows.
Little girl, why are you changing my TV? Move!
What the staff has to go through on a daily basis.
Your son
These
over
guys
here
are pretty
about to
good. If they want to cause
hop off
harm,
the shit. I keep
they have a lot of
forgetting
time
that
to figure out ways to do it. And that, for me, was
He's a
just a
confident.
reminder of just how easy somebody could.
Like, I mean, girl, Riley. Why? Look at why are you laying on my TV?
Really? You just wanted it as a memento?
He had this demeanor. He wasn't angry. I don't think we ever saw him angry. And at points where I thought, maybe he was going to get really upset, he would just kind of smile. And it was almost like he knew what he was doing.
What party you going to? Storm. The hell no. Why can't you make it to 11?
With limited housing options, Chairs provided a dilemma. He could not be in general population due to his behavior. And when more pressing needs came up for the street.
Yeah. I know what y'all wondering. What the hell is going on? Well, as you can see, there's 2 bearded dragons in this cage. One's a boy and one's a girl. Rayleigh, which y'all know, and Thor. Yes, we have another bearded dragon. We got another one. I know, we're turning it into a pet zoo. I took Zane's cage and laid it down flat, and now he's happy. Even more happier. He got a bigger cage, and it's flat. Has he been eating? No, but he has been making a mess. So I'm thinking he's trying to tell me that he wants me to cover up all this with moss. And I know y'all are wondering, what the hell is this? Why is there an empty cage next to Zane? Well, let me explain. This is Liam. He's my crested gecko. You sliding, buddy?
There's no grip. You need some plants in your cake.
Daddy's gonna get you some more stuff. I promise. Even a bigger cage when you get older. You gotta get in the water, fool. I think my dragon's retarded. So I think he's retarded. I don't think he knows he has to get in the bowl to get them. Oh Lord. You gotta get in the bowl, boy. Get in the bowl. Oh, this is hilarious to watch. He's shedding. He's in deep shed right now. He got most of it off. He has a little bit more to go. I think he has some on his feet. I'm not really sure. Nah, he's good on his feet. So he just has that little stuff, the little skin on his back. He's still trying to get it. Let's see if I can put him in the bowl. Come here, bad boy. Look. Nope, you gotta get in the water yourself, homie. You gonna get it? You gonna get it? You gotta get it.
It's in the water, boy. I hope you could breathe while you just got your nose in the water like that. You gotta move around, man. You just got his head dipped in the water. Where you going? You done trying to get it? You mad now? To be honest, I'm glad to see him trying to eat though, because he hasn't been eating. So I thought in the past couple of days, but I guess he has been eating. So come here, fat boy. Come. There, look. Go down. No, where you going? You gotta jump in the water or something, nigga. Come on. You okay? Look. No. Where you going? He's still trying to get him. He's still trying to get him. He got his mouth open. He hungry. All right, let me try to feed this man, you guys. You gotta get in the water, fool. I think my dragon's retarded. So I think he's retarded. I don't think he knows. Bow! What's Gucci? You already know what it is. It's your buddy Kid coming at you live with another one. Alright, so today is gonna be a very interesting video because I am going back to the basics. I'm going back to what I used to do when I first started YouTube, which is pretty much just a straight up sit down video. But I'm gonna get into it because today's gonna be interesting. So right now I'm grabbing some food and then I'm gonna head to the house and get started on what I gotta do today, which is not gonna take me that long, but you know, I'm gonna make it seem like it's taking forever. He decided to jump off of me and jump onto there. Yeah. And look perfectly fine, so I guess I'm gonna leave him up there. I don't know why, but it's just funny.